shift check. Okay. See how fresh I am? That would have been a really good thing to check first. I'm thinking safety circuit too. You know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Because that's what that is a safety circuit. I ain't going home. I'm going to Mike's house and eating truck. Gotta get on a diet and lose some weight.
That's no fun.
I tell Blake I would do anything for you, buddy. Anything, but I won't lose weight. I'm 100 pounds overweight and my cholesterol isn't bad right now, but when I went on